Hello everyone, and after a long break, welcome back to my channel. So I finally got GoPro Hero 12 Black and it's about time to open it. This camera in here is available in 3 different setups, as you can get just the camera itself or with an accessory bundle which comes with a floating grip, new Headstrap 2.0 and one extra battery. But you can also get it with GoPro MAX Lens Mode 2.0, which is a brand new accessory. So without further ado, let's quickly do the unboxing and let me show you how to set up your camera. If you want to update your GoPro Hero 12 Black, you can either do it using your GoPro Quick app on your phone or transferring the update file to a microSD card. If you don't know how to do it, I'll include a video link to the whole tutorial about it in the upper corner. So after a bit of testing, I must admit that there have been some changes to the menus of this camera. You know, they added some new stuff regarding microSD card information and auto-upload setup. And it seems that you can also pair a new Bluetooth device such as headphone or microphone. You know, but I must be completely honest with you guys, but I don't necessarily like the settings menu. You see, in the past, you had a couple of pre-designed presets such as standard, cinematic or activity, and they removed all of that from here. In a way, you still can create your own presets just for hiking, water or travel, but it's just not the same because you cannot name them. What's more, even the video settings menu looks completely different now, and I must say it feels complicated. Even though I'm already experienced GoPro user, but I feel like I need to get used to it. Right guys, so I think for a very simple unboxing video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching and bye.